Welcome everyone. So today we are going to understand how to solve these kind of questions. So here we have x raised to 10. Okay, and that is equal to root of 5. Okay, so now understand one very important thing you need to remember before beginning with any of these kind of sums is nothing but what a raised to m, the whole raised to n, is actually nothing but what a raised to m into n. And since multiplication is a commutative property, I can also write this as nothing but what a raised to n into m. So I can also represent this in the form of what a raised to n the whole raised to m, right? So here in this case what I can do is I can interchange the value of 10 with the x in the indices. So this can now be written as what x raised to 10 the whole raised to x. Okay, and also remember nth root of any number can also be written as what a raised to 1 upon n. So now since there is a square root, I can also write this as nothing but what 5 raised to 1 upon 2. Okay, now after this also we are not able to find the value of x. Okay, so please understand whenever you have these kind of sums, so in this case you should remember that you should simplify your entire question in this format: a raised to a equals to b raised to b. When you do that, I can directly say that value of a equals to b. So now obviously we have a base over here which is what x raised to 10. So what if I put a raised to 10 over here and I also do a raised to 10 over here? So this now comes out to be what x raised to 10 the whole raised to x raised to 10. So this is pretty much in this format. Okay. Now we also know that a raised to m the whole raised to n is nothing but what a raised to m into n. So this becomes 5 raised to 1 upon 2 into 10. And now if you look closely, this is getting cancelled. 2 ones are and 5s are. So here I can say x raised to 10 the whole raised to x raised to 10 equals to 5 raised to 5. Therefore, I can say x raised to 10 is nothing but just the value of 5 using this logic which I already explained. Therefore, I can say just the value of x is nothing but what 10th root of 5. Okay, so I hope you all have understood how to solve this. Now for those who want to cross verify, let's try and do that over here itself. Okay, let me just erase these parts. Okay, so now let's put this value of x raised to x equals to 10th root of 5. Okay, so instead of 10th root I'm going to write this as nothing but what 5 raised to 1 upon 10. Okay, and then this is this x. Okay, so x will be again 5 raised to 1 upon 10 into 10. Okay, so what happens in this case is this 10 and this 10 gets cancelled. I am just left with what 5 raised to 1 upon 10 the whole raised to 5. This eventually comes out to be 5 raised to 1 upon 10 into 5. So now if you see, this is again getting cancelled. So this is coming out to be 5 raised to 1 upon 2, and that is nothing but just root 5. So I hope you all have understood how to solve this question and also how to cross verify it. Okay, so that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.